Hey guys, today is Sunday, November the 6th, and today is really like kind of like a relaxing day and getting stuff together day. The other day I actually felt some contractions and I got really nervous, but they turned out to just be Braxton Hicks. So I'm starting to slow down because I don't want baby to come earlier than she needs to. So really, I'm like kicking up my nesting mode. So this weekend was a pretty chill weekend for the most part. So let me show y'all this. We don't have a kitchen sink. So hubby was changing the sink. When he put the sink in, the side it chipped off, it cracked a little bit. And so we ended up taking it back. I wasn't aware that the material was, I think it was a composite material, which is like basically a hard plastic, which I don't see why they make sinks like that anyway, because plastic is easy to break. So he ordered a new sink because they didn't have any in a black color that we wanted in the store. Instead of shipping it to the house, he shipped it to the store. If he would have shipped it to the house, it would have been here yesterday. So we've been without a kitchen sink for a couple of days, which has been a bit of a headache, but we're muscling through. So I did go grocery shopping today. I wanted to bring you guys along with me as I was organizing my refrigerator, but seeing that I don't have a sink right now, I can't really like wash my fruits and veggies the way I want to. So I'll just show y'all what I got. I'll start to put those up, and then once our sink comes and we get that installed, then I'll finish organizing. So I'll do whatever I can today, and then whatever I can't do, we'll just finish up once the sink is done. Also, I did go to Home Goods today. I went to Hobby Lobby Friday. First of all, Hobby Lobby is having a 60% off all Christmas stuff, so I'm gonna go and get that. I only picked up a few things at Home Goods. You know what? I would do a Christmas decor haul. So today I'm gonna get my Christmas tree put up. Well, I'm gonna put up my Christmas tree. I'm trying to decide if I want to attempt to do it myself and let my husband help me, or if I want to hire someone and let them decorate for me, because I have a 7.5 foot Christmas tree. I'm 5'2", so obviously I can't reach the top and I can't do it by myself. So I'm gonna need help with that. Also, I'm gonna be doing a little more cleaning, basically cleaning up, prepping for Christmas. He pulled all my Christmas stuff down from the attic, so all of my Christmas stuff is there. The kitchen is as tidy as it's gonna be for now. I did do some laundry yesterday, so I just need to fold that laundry, because we did go watch the Astros game and they won. Go Astros. And so today I'm going to clean up my bathroom, which is really dirty, extremely dirty, and it's actually kind of shameful. So I might take you guys along with me to do that. And then I have another load of laundry that I need to do. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing today. I think my brothers are gonna come by to help with this refrigerator that's still in the kitchen, to get it to the garage. And yeah, today's pretty much chill. I went out this morning to the store. I went to Home Goods and I went to Kroger, and then I went to Target. So I'll be putting those things away I think my husband already started putting some stuff away because I did do a grocery order from HEB as well. I just had to go pick out my own produce. So that's what I did. But yes, I will let you guys come along with me as I am putting up my groceries and kind of going along, cleaning up and getting ready for the Christmas decorations. Okay guys, so this is a just of what I have left that my husband didn't put up. So I got some Fritos for my chili that I'm gonna make this week. I got a few potatoes because I was craving a shrimp boil, and I wanted to do one in the oven. I got a lot of fruit because Leia is refusing to eat right now, and so I got her a whole bunch of these little packets. So this she'll eat. As well as if we like put it in her bottle with like a little bit of water, I say water, a little bit of milk or coconut water, she will drink these. So I try to get as much vegetables as I can, lots of fruit, because she is into fruits and not vegetables. I got her some toddler formula. I have a body armor for myself. I also got some cocoa water. Because I heard about a hydration drink that helps with breast milk, as well as I can use these for her smoothies that we're going to start making. And so basically it's coconut water, regular water with liquid IV, as well as coconut water with cranberry juice. So I'm going to give it a try. I got some paper plates. This is just some body wash for me and to go inside of my hospital bag. I got some more dish spray, eggs, fruit snacks, granny apples. So I got blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, pineapples, kiwi. So my husband is going to make some roasted chicken on Tuesday, so we got some time. The chicken is already in the oven. We got some carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, as well as an onion. I did get some more liquid IV. I got some oranges. I got some diced tomatoes to go in my chili. I got some salsa because, you know, that's like a snack for me. I mentioned carrots, pistachios as a snack. I already got the chicken and like some other things that we can have for dinner this week. So yes, this is what I have to put up. I'm also going to be trying to organize my refrigerator as much as I can. I'm just going to leave this in here for now until we get our sink where I can wash and prep our veggies. I do still have a lot of frozen fruit as well, so there's that. But yeah, this is it. Today is Tuesday, November the 8th. It is election day. I just had a ultrasound appointment, so we went to do that. Now we're going to vote because unfortunately I did not vote in early voting when I usually do. So my husband, he is currently inside voting right now, and he got turned away from the first place because he told them that we moved. They wouldn't let him vote, so we just went down the street and he's trying to vote again. So hold on, because it looks like this person finna hit my car. So yeah, so he's voting. Then we're gonna head back towards the house, and I'm gonna vote because I actually changed my address on my driver's license, so I'm registered in our county. So I'm gonna vote. After that, then we did get the sink today, so we're gonna attempt to put the sink back in. We were gonna make some brown stew chicken today, but it's probably gonna be late because it's already 4 o'clock. So we're probably gonna just eat leftovers, and so I'll check back in with you guys. Excuse me, I'll check back in with you guys in a bit.